Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have a stable internet connection but you cannot use your browsers or Google Play Store or any network related apps in Motorola Edge 40 Pro. And to do this, first let's identify a problem. So here we have a Google Play Store, and if we try to install any game or app, it's stuck in a pending mode and won't begin the actual download. Let's cancel it for now and move on to the browser. Here, if we refresh any already opened website or try to reach new one, like for example YouTube, we have this problem. And to fix both of them, we'll need to open our settings, then scroll all the way down to find the system. Inside, select date and time and enable set time automatically. If you go back to your browser and refresh a page, it should work fine. And the same is with Google Play Store, so we can install the games or apps again. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.